सो हेलो ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू टेंस चैनल। सो आज हम लोग पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है और यार सब लोग नर्वस होते हुए एक से एक पूरा अपना अपना तैयारी में लगा हुआ है। ये भी थोड़ा नर्वस है आज। तो आप आज के प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए कुछ बोलना है क्या? ये भी थोड़ा नर्वस हो गया। वो तो बहुत नर्वस है, इसको भी खतरा चला गया पूरा एकदम।
Now I'm going to talk about one of the beautiful major tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, which is Galo tribe. The Galos are known for their rich culture, traditional practices, and unique way of life. They are mainly inhabited in the Western and Leparada district of Arunachal Pradesh. Through this presentation, I will take you through their history, festivals, and cultures. So first, we will see the origin and history of Galo tribe. The first is ancestral lineage. The Galo tribe belongs to the Tani group of tribes found in Arunachal Pradesh, and who trace their origin in the common ancestor called Abu Tani. The mythical forefather of the Tani tribes. So next is migration and early settlement. According to oral traditions, the Galos are migrated centuries ago from near the Tibetan plateau, and they are gradually now settled in the present day Western and Leparada district of Arunachal Pradesh.
बदमाश लोग खा रहे हैं ठीक से।
And the next is historical lifestyle. Traditionally, the Galos are agrarian and self-sufficient, and they are practicing shifting cultivation. As you can see the picture.
Once again, good afternoon to everyone. Malam malam में alambo aro. It means good morning to everyone. I was prepared it in morning, that's why I don't know what to call it afternoon. I repeat, malam malam में alam aro. It means a very warm good morning to everyone. As different tribal community makes Arunachal shows that diversity in unity. I am also talking about one of this tribal community, that is Nishi tribe. First of all, the Nishi tribe is the largest ethnic group of Arunachal Pradesh, and where the inhabited districts are Baki Kesang, Papumpare, Gorokkume, Karadadi, Kamle, Keipinur, etc. The word Nishi means civilized human being. It shows how they promote positivity in their community. If we are talking about the origin and history of Nishi people, according to the oral tradition, they believe that Nishis are the descendant of legendary ancestor Abotani. And they believe that the Abotani, their ancestor homeland is to be in Tibetan plateau and Himalayan foothills, and from where they migrated from north to south. Migrated from north to south, that is currently in Arunachal Pradesh. They migrated around 16th century in Arunachal Pradesh before the arrival of Buddhism in Tibet. They spoke Sino-Tibetan language, which is the part of Sino-Brahmin family. Once again, good afternoon everyone. So now I would like to conclude our presentation by saying that the major tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, such as the Apatani, Targim, Galo, Memba, Nishi, and others, reflect their state's rich cultures and traditions. Though each tribe has their own unique languages, festivals, cultures, and lifestyles, yet they all share their deep connection with each other and with nature's communities and ancestral values. So their festivals like Drill, Mopin, Sonam, Loser, etc. all shows the unity and agriculture-based traditions. Along with these tribes not only preserve their
their distinct identity and heritage, but also contribute the unity in diversity of India. It is important to preserve and promote their tribal traditions so that we can show the future generation, and so the future generation also learn from these rhythms. Thank you.
Guys, any question? Question पूछ सकते हैं हम लोग ना? क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है सब लोग. So there is no question. Big round of applause for group number 2, guys.
Yeah, good. Thank you. You must think of that.
Now I would like to request group number 3 for the semester. Thank you.
उसका बाद मजा था उसका बाद ग्रुप 4 देखो पागल होने वाला उधर इधर लाल हो जाओ
A very warm good afternoon to everyone, respected principal ma'am, lecturers, and my dear friends. Stop talking. Hey, suno. We are group number 3 and we are a group of 11 members, and today we are going to present on the topic of history, culture and art reforms of East Siang, Lower Siang, Upper Siang, Dibang Valley and Lower Dibang Valley. Our aim is to give you a clear picture of the major tribe, culture and traditions of this region of Arunachal Pradesh. I am Sangit Roma along with my group members. Now I would like to share some knowledge about the Adi tribe. Festivals. Now festivals, the Solong festival is the major festivals of Padam tribe, and it is usually celebrated in August to September. And during Solong festival, they sacrifice the animals like pig and mithun. And Solong festival is not just a festival. It is a festival of harvesting, which means it is the beginning of their new year. And the Aran festival is known for, in Aran festival, every community gathers together to celebrate their Aran festival, and it is a festival of hunting festival, and it is. Next is performing arts. In performing arts, there are 2 points. The first one is folk dance. The folk dance for women, folk dance called Ponung dance, and it is also celebrated in Solong festival while wearing their traditional attires. And folk songs. For Padam people, there is 3 folk songs. The Ai means mythological songs, and Aneki is the love song, and Galu is the heroic ballad. And my next topic is storytelling and religious beliefs. Under storytelling, there is Doni Polo Fair. Doni Polo Fair means the Padam tribe worship the Doni Polo. Doni means sun and Polo means moon, so they worship the sun and moon god. And now myths of origin. The Padam people used to believe that the Seri is the creator and Pedong Mene is their mother ancestor. So they also believe that Pedong Mene is the mother who gives birth to gods, goddess and the animal also.
last group, that is 4 group. Finally last group आ गया.
वो वीडियो बना रहा है यूट्यूब
बहुत अच्छा था.
फोन स्टोरेज में ना फोन स्टोरेज बहुत कम है
वो लोग किसी ने बनाया होगा वहाँ से हम मंगाए थे. हम मांग के ये लोग भी होता होगा फिर सेम ट्राइब ना.
Very good morning, lecturers, dearest juniors, and dear friends. So I am Mr. Pratik Jogel Babu from group number 4, and we are here to present all forms of different tribes of Arunachal Pradesh Eastern Zone. There is Namsai, Lohi, Anjao, Changlam, Tirap, and Longding. So let me first give the introduction about the eastern zone of Arunachal Pradesh. Natural beauty, cultural richness, and adventure, comprising districts like Rohit, Mansai, Anjao, Changlam, Tirap, and Longding. Natural beauty. These districts are
November 2014, Arunachal government declared Namsai as a new district. Geographically, Namsai district is located in eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, sharing boundaries with district East in Changlang in the south and Assam in west. Namsai has been originated from Lohi district before. So, introduction and origin and history about Singpho tribe. The Singpho tribe is one of the major tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, mainly found in Namsai, Changlang, and Lokit. The word Singpho means man or human, which reflects to unity and identity. Singpho tribes are known for their rich culture, harvest, and handmade with bamboo and cane. Singpho tribe has origin from Upper Myanmar, which is Burmans, and settled in Arunachal Pradesh. It is believed that they migrated to Singpho hills of Myanmar many centuries ago. They were known as the boundary wall of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh because they were brave and strong fighters. They protect their land, forest, and people from enemies. In history, they fought against the Ahom kingdom and later resisted the British. They were settled with sword and other weapons, and courage made them famous fearless warriors. Now let us discuss about the culture and beliefs of Singpho tribe. Singpho tribe follows Theravada Buddhism. They believed in peace, kindness, and respect for all living beings. But before adopting Theravada Buddhism, they also believed in animism because why they believe in animism? Because they think they should give respect to the nature, forest, mountain, and rivers. And they also think that nature and mountain gives them life spiritually. So they used to worship nature and forest also. And they used to worship nature and forest. They also believe in karma and rebirth because they have adopted Theravada Buddhism. Now we will speak about language of Singpho tribe. Singpho tribe speak Singpho language which belongs to Indo-Burman. Their language is closely related to Singpho, which is country community of Myanmar. And now we will talk about the livelihood of Singpho tribe. Singpho tribe mainly depend on agriculture, weaving, handcraft. They practice paddy cultivation of wheat, rice, and sifting cultivation. And Singpho tribe are also known for tea cultivation. Singpho tribe were the first tribe to introduce tea cultivation in India. The house of the Singpho tribe is made of bamboo cane and it is called chamkar. Now we will talk about the festival of Singpho tribe. Singpho tribe have one major festival, but they also celebrate Buddha Purnima also because they have adopted Theravada Buddhism. So the name of the first major festival is Sampang Yang Manao Poi. It means that Manao Poi means dance, and the meaning of Sampang Yang Manao Poi means it is celebrated to give respect to the nature, remembers their ancestors, and shows their unity. This festival is celebrated between 12 to 15 of February, and it is said that 14 is the main day of their festival. And this festival is celebrated in Nampong village in Namsai district. Before celebrating the festival, they used to host a flag. Before to start a festival or ceremony, they used to host a flag. After that, they used to start their ceremony. And in this festival, there are three types of dance. Each dance has its own different meaning. The first, Pedang, it reflects to the war meaning. This dance reflects to the war meaning. War winning. This Peda dance reflects to war winning. And the second is shoot reflect to the celebration day. And the third, Kumrang reflect to the farewell day. These three name of the dance have different types of meaning. So now we'll talk about local gifts of Simpho tribe. Simpho tribe usually use less spices with less oil, but they use their own herbs. More they use herbs. So there is a name Chow Makam. It is a grilled fish. Grilled fish, and the second smoke roll. They used to roast and smoke. Pork is being roasted, and in their language it is called Nawang. It's quite difficult to pronounce. And they used to chicken boiled with bamboo shoot. In their language it is called Nawang Tung in their language. And steamed fish in bamboo shoot. It is called Nam Tam. And this Simpho tribe people, they used to make their food in banana leaves or bamboo. They use less oil, but they use their own herbs for their food. That's all. Let's continue by that.
Good afternoon everyone, to the most respected principal ma'am, lecturers, judges, juniors and my dear mates. I am Tafi Asung and today I am going to present about Lohit district of Arunachal Pradesh and its major tribe, the Bishmir. Lohit district was named after the
अभी भी कितना आदमी बचे हैं लोग का बेंगल में अभी एक ही बचा अभी तक खत्म हुआ है नहीं हुआ है बोलने लगा था अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है गाइस हम लोग का देखो ना 4:36 हो गया और हम लोग भूख लग के मरने वाला देखो हम लोग को ये नेटी चूज बिस्किट दिया आज देखो ना ब्लर आ रहा है नेटी चूज बिस्किट दिया इसको खा रहे हैं हम लोग ओखर बोला रहे walnut.
Sticky rice in their language called sam and sticky millet called nai. The Bangchul is big, Bangchul is called tomato.
खा दो हो गया भूख लगा वाला तो थोड़ा मिट गया ये बिस्किट खा के All are eating biscuits. We are hungry now.
Thank you guys. Last one.
हे गाइस, सो आज है नेक्स्ट डे, क्योंकि कल हम लोग का सेमिनार था। तो आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग डे सेमिनार, लाइक हेडेक सेमिनार के बाद हम लोग को फाइनली ख़त्म हो गया हम लोग का सेमिनार। और आज है नेक्स्ट डे, क्योंकि कल मुझे बनाने का टाइम नहीं मिला, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ही लाइक 5 या 5:30 हो गया था। इसकी वजह से मैं बना नहीं पाया, क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन का बैटरी भी डेड हो गया था एंड मैंने लाइक चार्जर भी लेके नहीं किया था, तो इसलिए, और प्लस थक भी गया था एंड भूख भी लग रहा था। इसकी वजह से हम लोग डायरेक्ट होटल में जाके खाना खा लिया था। तो वो सब मैं वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाया, क्योंकि मेरा बैटरी डेड हो गया था। एंड आज है नेक्स्ट डे, तो आज मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि कल मुझे बोलने का मौका नहीं मिला। तो दैट इज़ इट फॉर दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि ये सेमिनार सबका नहीं ले पाया, जिसका जितना का हो सके मैंने लिया है। और हाँ, एक्चुअली हम लोग का ग्रुप 4 था, ग्रुप 1 तो हम लोग का था, तो हम लोग का तो किसी ने भी वीडियो नहीं बनाया था एक्चुअली में। लाइक पता नहीं सबको, मतलब ये फर्स्ट टाइम सेमिनार था हम लोग का, क्योंकि पहले बार में भी सीनियर लोग ने ऐसे सेमिनार दिया था, तो इस बार हम लोग सीनियर है तो हम लोग ने दिया, और जूनियर लोग भी, वो लोग भी देखा हम लोग ने कैसे सेमिनार दिया। तो हम लोग का ग्रुप 1 का किसी ने भी वीडियो नहीं लिया था, इसकी वजह से मैंने नहीं डाला। मेरा खुद का वीडियो भी किसी ने नहीं लिया था, इसकी वजह से मैंने नहीं लिया। और मैं भी भूल गया था कि मतलब अभी कैसे होगा बोल के, हम भी बहुत टेंशन में था। इसकी वजह से मैं भी मतलब किसी को मेरा वीडियो बना दो, या तो हम लोग को ग्रुप 1 का वीडियो बना दो, हाँ ऐसा बोलने के लिए भूल ही गया था मैं। मेरा दिमाग से वॉश आउट हो गया था, क्योंकि सेमिनार का टेंशन से, क्योंकि इट्स आवर फर्स्ट टाइम था, तो इसलिए हम लोग का फर्स्ट टाइम सेमिनार था, तो थोड़ा तो लाइक डरता ही है थोड़ा, तो इसकी वजह से भूल गया था। और मुझे लगा था कि जूनियर लोग को वीडियो बनाने के लिए मतलब वो लोग को मतलब दिया था बोला मैम लोग ने, तो लेकिन वो लोग ने नहीं लिया था अच्छा से। लाइक मेरा वीडियो तो लिया ही नहीं था, बहुत सारा लोगों का नहीं लिया था ग्रुप 1 का। इसकी वजह से कोई बात नहीं, वो लोग का भी लाइक टाइम नहीं मिला होगा, या तो वो लोग भी भूल गया होगा। इसलिए मैंने जिसका मैंने वीडियो बनाया वो सबका डाल दिया है। और हर किसी का तो मैं नहीं डाल सकता है, क्योंकि हर किसी का डालने के लिए परमिशन चाहिए होते हैं, तो मैंने परमिशन नहीं लिया। और जिसका परमिशन है, लाइक ये जितना भी बोल रहे हैं वो लोग से तो मैंने परमिशन लिया, और उन लोगों का वीडियो मैंने बना के यहाँ पे डाला। और ज़्यादातर तो मेरा बहन लोग की है, मेरा कज़न लोग की है, इसलिए वो लोग का वीडियो तो हम डालता ही है। दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे वीडियो। तो यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है मेरा वीडियो, मेरा व्लॉग। सो अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू गाइस।